Hello everyone and welcome to European Piano Technique Mastery course for beginners. In this video we will be learning our F-sharp major scale with separate hands for the very first time. So first of all we will be starting with our right hand and we will be determining our notes of F-sharp major first. So F-sharp major has 6 sharps, which are F-sharp, C-sharp, G-sharp, D-sharp, A-sharp and E-sharp. And the only one that's not sharp is actually B. So whenever you have more than 4 sharps in the scale, it's easier to think what's actually not sharp instead of thinking what is sharp, what notes are sharp. So when you have that many sharps, don't worry too much if you don't know your sharps that well, just think everything is sharp except of B. But of course it's better to know the sharps in your scales as well, but if you really want to go into it, better to learn your circle of fifths, how the sharps work, and then you'll be really good with that. But otherwise just think everything is sharp except of B. Now we start with 2 on F sharp and right, 3 on G sharp, 4 on A sharp, 1 on B, 2 on C sharp, 3 on D sharp, 1 on E sharp and 2 on F sharp. Okay, so this is just one octave and going down. 2 on F sharp, 1 on B sharp, 3 on D sharp, 2 on C sharp, 1 on B, 4 on A sharp, 3 on G sharp and 2 on F sharp. So those are the notes for the right hand. Remember you have your 1 on the B and 1 on E sharp when you're going up, and you start with finger 2 on F sharp. Okay, so now next, after we determined our notes, we will be doing our cluster work in right hand. Cluster work, it means to group the scale into the groups and the clusters and think of them as one thing instead of thinking about 3 notes or 4 notes. Just think like one thought about few notes together. And the clusters are separated by the finger 1 or by position change. Wherever finger 1 moves to the next note, that's where your position changes. Okay, so now first cluster for F sharp major is F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. Those 3 notes, you cover them with fingers 2, 3, 4 and play them together like that. Next cluster is B, C sharp and D sharp with fingers 1, 2, 3. You cover those, then play them together. Okay, and we will be doing 2 octaves up, so we continue on. Next cluster, see, it starts with 1 on the way up in right hand, so E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cover those notes and play them together. Then next, B, C sharp, D sharp. Cover those, play them together, and last little cluster in the end there, it's E sharp and F sharp on top. Cover those 2 notes. It's not a full position there, see, it's just the end of the scale, which are just first 2 notes of next cluster, but we still do it. So it's E sharp and F sharp on top there. You play those and then you can do those few times going up. So 2, 3, 4 on F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. 1, 2, 3 on B, C sharp, D sharp. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 on E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp there. Then B, C sharp, D sharp again, 1, 2, 3. Then in the end you do E sharp and F sharp with 1 and 2 like that. So you pre-cover them, then play, pre-cover, prepare, then play, pre-cover, prepare, then play, then next and next. And do that few times until you're familiar with the landscape of the scale, so to speak. See, like every scale has a little landscape of its own. That's why F sharp has its own landscape with all the 5 sharp notes or black keys used, and then plus you have another E sharp there. So then you just play those few times like that, going up that way and then all the way to the top. Then you can do the clusters not together by one note, which is first cluster F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. You play 2, 3, 4 and play that few times, 2, 3, 4 until you're really fluent with that. Next cluster B, C sharp, D sharp there, 1, 2, 3, and you play that cluster. See, only way up first. We're working on the way up, so 1, 2, 3 few times like that. See, and then next cluster E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp there. Then you play those 1, 2, 3, 4, and also do few times like that, lifting fingers well that way. See, and then next cluster B, C sharp and D sharp with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 like that, and play that few times as you did in the lower octave. And then finally on top it's E sharp and F sharp, 1 and 2 like that. And you can play every cluster just going up few times like, and then eventually you need to know how to play like this. So those 3 notes, then those 3 notes, then those 4 notes, every group or every cluster, see? Prepared, then played, like that. So, and then do that a few times until you are fluent with it. After you know how to do this, you are going to go down with your clusters. So we go from the top cluster, which is E sharp, F sharp is 1 and 2 there. Then 1, 2, 3 on B, C sharp, D sharp. It's like what we did going up, just we reverse the order. So there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 on E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. There. Then 1, 2, 3 on B, C sharp, D sharp. There. Then 2, 3, 4 on F sharp, G sharp and A sharp, like that. And then again from top, prepare then play, prepare then play, prepare the cluster, then play, all the way going down. I'm just showing for 2 octaves today because this is just the first introduction for very beginners when you just start your scale. So always it's important to remember your groups and clusters at first, like you take mental pictures of them and think of a scale as just 2 things. In this case it's like 2 things, but they're broken up in groups. So you see, first cluster starts with just 3 notes, like it doesn't include the E sharp, so it's like a little shifted offset cluster, so to speak. Okay, so then you do it few times going down by the groups like that, and then you do by 1 note every cluster. So first cluster, F sharp, E sharp there, play a few times, just going down, we're going to the left now. Then next, D sharp, C sharp, B, 3, 2, 1 there, like that, and play that few times until you're a bit more familiar with that. And then next cluster, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E sharp with 4, 3, 2, 1, you play them few times until you're used to them and you're familiar with that group or that cluster. Then next, D sharp, C sharp, B, there, 3, 2, 1, and play that few times. So you have all your groups done correctly before you play the whole scale fluently there. And the last group or cluster at the end is A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there. So you go like that, see? 4, 3, 2, like that. And play every cluster a few times first, and then you need to know how to go down just by group. So F sharp, E sharp, then regroup on the next, then D sharp, C sharp, B, then regroup on the next, then A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E sharp, then next D sharp, C sharp, B, and next A sharp, G sharp, and then F sharp finally. And then do this few times until you're familiar with every group or cluster. You can call them groups or clusters. I like clusters as well because like clusters the notes and clusters the fingers together, so you always remember them as one thing. So just one cluster, and there are 2, 3 notes in each cluster, and sometimes it's 2 notes on top when the clusters are a bit offset in some scales. So now after that cluster work is done going up and down, you can just do it up and down continuously, which is just like this, see? All the way up, and then without stop you're going back down, preparing there, okay? And do this few times, and then by notes also, every cluster up, then regroup, then regroup, then regroup, then regroup, and then go back, see? Go back, same, regroup, regroup, there, prepare next, and then next last one. Regroup means to prepare the next. Okay, after you've done that cluster work by 1 note and together, and you're already familiar with your sharps and fingers by this time, I hope. So then you're ready to do the continuous going up note by note, the whole scale. Now we will be talking about preparing the fingers in advance. So look, we prepare the first cluster as we did originally there. So when we play F sharp, we need to prepare 1 already on the G, on the F sharp, see? Then when we play G sharp, 1 prepares above the A, see underneath there? And when we play A sharp, 1 prepares on B. Then when we play B, 2 and 3 already prepare above C sharp and D sharp there, see? Then when we play C sharp, 1 moves quickly above E. Then when we play D sharp, 1 is already above E sharp, they prepared in advance, see? So after B, we moved on C sharp to E, then on D sharp we moved quickly on E sharp. So when you already on D sharp there with finger 3, 1 should already be above the E sharp, early preparation. Okay, so then when we play E sharp, 2, 3, 4 quickly prepare above F sharp, G sharp, A sharp there. Then when we play F sharp, 1 is already above G. Then on G sharp, 1 is above A. On A sharp, 1 is above B. See, in advance there. So 1 moves under the palm. See, like there. Then when you play A sharp, 1 is above B. Then when we play B, then 2 and 3 prepare above C sharp and D sharp there early, okay, together. Then on C sharp 1 goes above E as we did on the other octave. Then on D sharp 1 is already above E sharp there. And when we play 1 on E sharp, 2 prepares on F sharp there early, okay, that way. And then you stop there. And then we do it again slowly. See, you prepare early there, then prepare 2, 3, then prepare 1 above E, 1 above E sharp, then 2, 3, 4 prepared. See, on F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, then play 1 above G, 1 above A, 1 above B. Then when you play 1, 2 and 3 prepared. See, then again 1 above E, 1 above E sharp, then play E sharp, then 2 above F sharp, then play on the last F sharp with finger 2, okay? Okay, that will be going up. If you do it a few times, you need to know how to do it continuously like that. See, then prepare, see, prepare 1 there, then prepare 1, see, those, going forward, then prepare 2, 3, then prepare 1, see, early there. So it's all smoothly going up. So when you go faster, see, it's already before in advance, okay? So that's very important to have those fingers move on the next key very early, as I just explained. If it's a bit difficult to comprehend for you at first, just slow down, do few times, like go back in the video, stop every section and do few times on every position. And then once you understand the principle, you will feel it's very easy to play any scale. Just at first you learn your notes, learn your positions, learn your clusters, learn your group, learn your fingering, then you're ready to do continuous. And do it until you get it. Repeat it every day. If it doesn't work, come back to it tomorrow, again, until you get it that way. Okay, so after we've done it all the way up, now you're ready to go back down. So we start with 2 on F sharp, then 1 on E sharp. When 1 plays E sharp, 3 and 2 quickly prepare above D sharp and C sharp, see there? Then when we play D sharp, 1 moves above C there, see? And when you play 2 on C sharp, 1 is already above B, there, see, like that. So from that one, see, when we play 3, already 1 above C, then on 2 on C sharp, 1 above B. Then when we play B, 4, 3, 2, prepare quickly above A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there, see? Then on A sharp, 1 is preparing on A, on G sharp, 1 is above G there, on F sharp, 1 is above E sharp there. So that way, then on E sharp, 3, 2, prepare on D sharp and C sharp, then on D sharp, 1 is above C, then on C sharp, 1 is above B there. And then on B, last 3 prepare on A sharp 4 and 3 on G sharp and 2 on F sharp there. And at the end, just let your one hang out there and naturally move to the left. Okay, so that will look like that. So F sharp, then E sharp, prepare 3, 2. Then on D sharp, 1 is above C. See there, on C sharp, 1 is above B. That's important. Then on B, preparing 4, 3, 2 above A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there. Then on A, 1 is above A. On G sharp, 1 above G, then on F sharp, 1 above E sharp there, then on E sharp, preparing 3 and 2 above C sharp and D sharp there together, then on D sharp, 1 above C, on C sharp, 1 above B there, and then once you play the D, you prepare last 3 on A sharp, G sharp and F sharp, 4 and 3 and 2. And in the end, just let your one move to the left naturally. And then it looks like that continuously, see? You prepare, there, prepare those, see? There. Prepare, always in advance, see? Very smoothly, very relaxed like that. So, and do that few times until you are fluent. Then, you know, you can do it up and down without stops all the way. See, like what we spoke about before, like that. Then you prepare, always, see? There. Then prepared early, see? Then you go back without stops. There, see, like that. All relaxed, very smooth. You can do it much slower at first, but do this process until you get it right, okay? So then you can even go much slower, much softer. Just make sure when you touch the notes, you use those soft, you know, parts of the fingers under the nails, and you always, like, you feel like your fingers, they take the keys, like, you know, not just pressing them down, but with the soft part, they extended finger, like little extended shape, they take the key. You can watch my other videos about the touch. I spoke about, you know, how to touch the keys with soft parts of the fingers and why and what's the advantages. So go through those videos, you will learn quite a bit in there. So now this will be all with right hand. Now we are ready to do the left hand. So left hand, same notes, but different fingering. Okay, so in left hand we start with finger 4 on F sharp, and then we go 3 on G sharp, so 4 on F sharp, 3 on G sharp, 2 on A sharp, 1 on B, then 3 on C sharp there, so 3 on C sharp, 2 on D sharp, 1 on E sharp, then 4 on F sharp again, 3 on G sharp, 2 on A sharp, 1 on B, 3 on C sharp, 2 on D sharp, 1 on E sharp, and at the top usually people play mostly 3, they don't play 4 if they don't do more octaves, so today we're going to do only 2 octaves, so then you play 3 on top F sharp, then come back 1 on E sharp, 2 on D sharp, 3 on C sharp, then 1 on B, 2 on A sharp, 3 on G sharp, 4 on F sharp, 1 on E sharp, 2 on D sharp, 3 on C sharp, 1 on B, 2 on A sharp, 3 on G sharp, then 4 on F sharp there. Okay, so this will be your preparation work. Remember, in left you have 1 on B, 1 on E sharp, those are your white keys, and then 4 you start on F sharp, 3 on D sharp. Those are like a key pivot turning points of your position, so to speak. Okay, so now after you've done your foundational work with fingering and you know your notes a little bit better, then you're ready to do the cluster work. So first cluster of the left starts on F sharp with finger 4, then goes 4 on F sharp, 3 on G sharp, 2 on A sharp, 1 on B. Together, prepare those, think of those 4 notes as one thought, play them together. So 4, 3, 2, 1 there. Then next cluster or next group, 3 on C sharp, 2 on D sharp, 1 on E sharp. Prepare like that, play. Next group, 4 on F sharp, again same as before, 3 on G sharp, 2 on A sharp, 1 on B there. Prepare, play together. Then next group as well, 3 on C sharp, 2 on D sharp, 1 on E sharp, together there. And last little cluster, just a single note there with only F sharp there on top, because it's only one note before we come back, because we're only doing 2 octaves today. So then last cluster finally just F sharp on top. Okay, so then we go and again all the way up by groups. So those F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, 4, 3, 2, 1, then C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, 3, 2, 1, then F sharp, G sharp, A sharp and B together, 4, 3, 2, 1 there, then 3, 2, 1 on C sharp, D sharp, E together, play. Then last on F sharp, and do it again. Think as one, prepare and play. See, like that, that way. So then you've done it all up, and do it few times until you can see those groups as one thought, and prepare and play, prepare, play, like that. See, prepare, play, prepare, play. Then you can go a little bit faster when you're more familiar with it. Okay, so then once you're familiar how to do it up, then you're ready to go down. Same way, just all reverse. So 3 on that lonely F sharp there, then 1, 2, 3 on E sharp, D sharp, C sharp, together, prepared, play. Then next B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, together, prepared, play. Then E sharp, D sharp, C sharp again, 1, 2, 3 there, prepared, play. Then B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, prepared and play, like that. And then again from top we go down. So F sharp, then E sharp, D sharp, C sharp, 1, 2, 3, then B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again E sharp, D sharp, C sharp, 1, 2, 3, prepared, and finally 1, 2, 3, 4 on B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there. That's it, done. See, and again, play it few times, prepare, play, prepare, always prepare and predict, think first in your mind before fingers will go there. They need to be prepared, so you first think about the note, then prepare, then double check it there, and prepare, double check, play, then prepare, double check, play, then there, prepare, play, then prepare, play. And before playing, just it's a quick thing to double check to make sure it's there. It's like a millisecond thing, but if you do it a lot, you'll get used to it. Okay, so don't worry too much. So now, after you've done clusters together, up and down only, you are ready to go up and down continuously. So you go only way up like that. See what we've done before. Now I'm not saying the fingers and notes, just all the way up and down without stops. Okay, like that. And then you relax a bit and do that few times until you're familiar with that landscape of your left hand with fingers. Again, remember 1 on B, 1 on E sharp, and finger 4 on F sharp and 3 on C sharp all the time. Okay, so when you're going up and down, make sure you do the right finger in there. So after you've done clusters together, you can do the clusters now note by note a bit. So we go in first cluster there, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, 4, 3, 2, 1, and do that few times like that. See, just first 4 notes, one by one like that. You can go slower, lift your fingers a little bit, touch the notes with the soft parts of fingers, and remember, always relax after touching the keys. I always say that, never keep forcing and tensing your hand, always loose hands, relax and you prepare, loose slightly after touch, okay, then play next, lift fingers a bit like fingers take the key, then next, okay, then next cluster, C sharp, D sharp and E sharp, then play that few times, you play few times every cluster until you're familiar with position and with the feel of it. Then next again F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, and do that few times. We're only going up like that. See, every cluster we just repeated few times, and do it legato. That means hold the notes until you play next notes, connected them, make sure they play smoothly, naturally forward. Okay, and as I assume you're just a beginner, don't force yourself too much with your fingers, don't play too loud, a little bit louder than you feel comfortable with, but not over force. Okay, so next last cluster there, with note by note, goes C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, with 3, 2, 1 there, like that, do that few times, and then finally that last F sharp with finger 3, and then you're ready to go all the way up by notes, so those 4 notes, then prepare next 3, play, then next 4, like that, prepare them, play, then those 3 there, and then last F sharp. You can have little stops between the clusters, so I'm doing it deliberately so you know the group. So that's how we group the F sharp major there, on the way up with the left hand. Now you're ready to go down with note by note. So first you do top F sharp there, then 1, 2, 3 on E sharp, D sharp, C sharp there, then 1, 2, 3, 4 on B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there, then 1, 2, 3 on E sharp, D sharp, C sharp again, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on B, A sharp, G sharp, and then F sharp. And you play them few times on F, then few times that. See, when you go down, it's a different feeling a bit. So always it's when you're going from 1 to 5, it's a little bit more difficult for the fingers. So you play that first few times, then next one few times from B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there, like that. And do that until you feel comfortable, until you feel fingers like take the notes actively, not, you know, push them, force them, but see, like light wrist and finger first takes, second takes, plays, okay, and like that, it's like you feel fingers like hook the keys with the tips a bit, like they take, you know, like that a bit when you play the keys there. Then you can go very fast, it will be very efficient technique. Then next, 1, 2, 3 on E sharp, D sharp and C sharp there. And again, play it a few times with fingers lifting a bit, fingers taking the keys actively and relaxing immediately after touch. Then last cluster there, B, A sharp, G sharp, and F sharp with 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So you go again, fingers active and relaxing after touch. Immediately after touch means after pressing the key. Okay, so then once you've done that, you're ready to go down with note by note with little stops between clusters. So F sharp there, then next C, prepare, then play one by one there, then that prepare, then one by one, and then last one C, like that, all the way till last F sharp. So now you know how to go back by one note and by the clusters all the way down. Okay, so now you can do that also up and down. So by the groups, by one note, regrouping on every cluster and preparing it in advance. See what we did before, we're going up now, there, then F sharp, separate, then back, see there, then again those, then next 3. So what we did, just we connected and joined it all together in one line, just with little stops at the start between your groups and clusters, so you know how to regroup, how to reposition the fingers, and what next group is in advance. Okay, so after you've done that, now you're ready to do note by note continuously, up and down, all the way 2 octaves. So first we're going to go up and we will prepare the notes similar as we did in right hand in advance, but in left it will be different fingers. So when we start 4 on F sharp, we need to already prepare 3 on G sharp, 2 on A sharp, and 1 on B in advance. So prepare pretty much whole cluster there, then you start F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Then when you play B, you prepare quickly 3 and 2 above C sharp and D sharp there, see? Then when you play C sharp, 1 moves above E quickly, okay? Then when you play D sharp, 1 already is above E sharp, it waits there, okay? So it's prepared in advance. Then when we play E sharp, 4, 3, 2, move and prepare quickly above F sharp, G sharp and A sharp together. It's like you prepare as many fingers as you can without leaving advance. So then when you play F sharp, see, 1 is above G. On G sharp, 1 is above A. On A sharp, 1 is above B there. Then when you play B, 3 and 2 prepare above C sharp and D sharp there. Then on C sharp, 1 is above E there, see? On D sharp, 1 is above E sharp, and on E sharp, 3 is above last F sharp there. See, like that? Then if you do it fluently, you go slowly. See, prepare first for notes there. Then when you play 1, 3 and 2 prepare, see, on C sharp, D sharp. Then on C sharp, 1 is above E. On D sharp, 1 is above E sharp. Then on E sharp with 1 you prepare 4, 3, 2. On F sharp, G sharp, A sharp there, see. Then on F sharp, 1 is above G. On G sharp is above A. And then on A sharp, 1 is above B. And then when you play B, 3 and 2 quickly prepare on C sharp, D sharp. On 3, on C sharp, 1 prepares above E. Then when you play 2 on D sharp, 1 is prepared above E sharp there. And then when you play 1, 3 is above F sharp already. See, like that? That's the most efficient way. Then when you go see fast, it will be all prepared, all there. But you have to do it a lot to get it automatic later. But this is the process. Some people, when they play, they start here. Then when they play B, then they jump to that. Then they keep finger 1 there. Then they jump, you know. Then they're not prepared. And then they scale because... Or some people, you know, like play like jumpy, limpy scale. So if you want to go fast and effortless scale, you have to be prepared, and fingers should be light and loose, okay, not heavy, so they have to move and take the keys. That's why don't force the issue first, make them light and loose at first, and gradually they'll develop. As you know, progress in your skills, like day by day, you practice every day, then you'll get bit by bit better. But do not tense and stress your hands too much. Just make it comfortable process. Remember, piano playing is kinesthetic process. The way the hands feel, that's the way the music will sound. If you feel tensing and struggling, the music will be tensed and struggled. You can't say struggle, but yeah, music will be struggling. Okay, so that will be all the way up. Then once you do that, you know how to play that continuously. Prepare and there, prepare and there, prepare and see, one by one like that. As I explained before, C there and F sharp finally. And do that many times. You can do it much slower until you know how to go up like that. Then you're ready to go down after that with your left hand. So you play 3 on that F sharp, and already 1 should be above E sharp when you start the top on F sharp there. So 1 on E sharp there prepared. When you play E sharp, 2 and 3 are prepared above D sharp and C sharp quickly. Then when you play 2 on D sharp, 1 prepares above C natural there. And then when you play C sharp, 1 is above B. Okay, then when you play B, 2, 3, 4, quickly prepare about A sharp, G sharp and F sharp, see they pre-cover those. Then when you play A sharp with finger 2, 1 is above A, 3 on G sharp there, 1 is above G, then 4 on F sharp, when you play that, 1 is above E sharp already early, see there, and see how the 1 it moves there, and wrist tilts to the left a bit, see there, so you go there, there, there. That way, see. Then when you play 1 on E sharp, quickly you prepare 2 and 3 there, see. And wrist always stays flexible, it moves around, see. Not stiff wrist, not rigid wrist, okay. It should be flexible, moving very easily and loosely, okay. So when you play the F sharp, then 1 is above E sharp already. Then when you play E sharp, 2 and 3 prepared above D sharp and C sharp there. Then when you play 2 on D sharp, 1 is above C. So you go quickly, see. There, like that, see, when you play there, 1 is there, see, and it goes, and then wrist moves a bit to the left, see, like that. Then when you play 3 on C sharp, 1 is above B there, see, wrist further moves and tilts a bit to the left, okay, very loose. And then 1 on B, and then you prepare last 3 notes on A sharp, G sharp, F sharp there, and then last 3 notes you just play, keeping your 1 there. Doesn't have to go on because we only do 2 octaves. If you were to do 4 octaves, you can just prepare, keep on preparing 1 under as in other octaves, okay. So now again, do that few times until you know how to do it without stop, see. Prepare, prepare, see, 1 moves, then those move on the blacks, see, then 1 moves there, see, and do that many times like that until you're fluent. First do very slow, very soft, fingers taken, see, with those soft parts, not like this, because this is very like slippery, easy to miss the key, so always touch there under the nails with soft parts. This is very effective way to play well, especially on the black keys there, and it activates the tips well. So, and then do that all the way down until you are fluent with this left hand going down. Now after that you already know going up and down continuously, note by note. Now you're ready to do all the way up and down, note by note with left, preparing as we discussed before. See, prepare, always prepare. See, there, see, all of them prepare, then prepare in advance. See, there, see the wrist tilts a bit, there, see, it's like they're covering the keys in advance, and as many keys as possible. And then once you've done it many times slow, you can start going a little bit faster and, you know, preparing like that, little by little. See there, one prepares, there, and then you can go faster later. I'm just showing you a little bit faster so you can see how the fingers just move well, but the wrist stays stationary. Okay, so that's the trick, is to, of course, use a bit of weight as well, but fingers at the slower tempos, they should be also using their own action, because some people start to play, you know, like just use the weight and start to shake the hand and do every note, then they wonder why they can't play fast, because they can't go fast with this, you know, shake. They like have shake syndrome. I have had quite a few students, they had that shaking syndrome. They play slow, fantastic, you know, like they play very well, but then when you go fast, fingers don't move at all, because they triggered and programmed and wired the brain. When they play the key, they shake the wrist. That's the worst thing you can do. So always remember, you use a bit of weight, but don't over force at all, but you use your fingers as well. It's the trick to play fast and effortless, is combine a bit of weight and combine the nice action of the fingers and completely relaxed action, immediately relaxing after taking the keys. Okay, so yeah, this will be all for the left hand. Then you play it many times up and down, do it every day. You can, you know, break this video into parts and just do cluster work in the first few days until you're familiar with that, if it's too much for you to comprehend at first. But yeah, and then you can, after clusters together, note by note, you can do all the way up and all the way down on right and on left. You can do first right hand, then do it for first few days. Once you master that, you go to the left hand. But if you have more time, if you're more committed, of course, you can do right and left on the same day. Just stopping on in the video and, you know, doing those fingers right and doing many times. The key is to repeat it until you get it. Then you'll get it for sure. Okay, everyone can do it. Just remember, you are not the first person who learns piano. You have your human hands. You can do whatever you want on the piano if you just do it enough. Okay, so this will be all for this video today. So this will be just covering our cluster work and first introduction to F sharp major with separate hands. In the next video we will be doing our F sharp major with both hands. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.